Here is how you can make this Lego forklift with the Lego Spike Prime plus the expansion set. Now please note that this won't be turning around and can only move forwards and backwards. First, put on the pins just like this. You'll need 6 black pins. And then put on the motor like this, but note that I made a mistake, so please put the motor the other way around. Then this is the back of the wheel, and then this is the front wheels. Note that this car will not be turning because there's only 2 motors in total. Then connect the wires like that. Now I'll be making the forklift part. So first, you'll be making this rack and pinion. This is the gear of that, and that is the rack. And then you'll be putting on these pieces. Please note carefully of the pins that I put. Then, as I said, please turn the motor around. Then attach it like that. Now you'll be making the grabber part of the forklift. First, connect this piece to that piece, then connect it to the main forklift. Now put that aside because then you'll be making the item to lift. You can put on these 2 pieces to stop the bars from sliding around. This is the code for the Lego forklift. It will work for any Lego Spike Prime set. If you want to learn the code, then pause the video right here and read the notations. To add more friction to the load item, you can also add this grippy silicone-like piece to the stand on the item. This will ensure that it doesn't move around when it's getting loaded to the forklift. Now, after all that building and coding, congratulations! You have yourself a working Lego forklift that doesn't turn. You can move around the target and tweak the code to make the experience much better. Here is what the result will look like.